Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram account. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the More icon in the top right corner of your profile. From the menu, tap on Account Center, then under Account Settings, tap Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Next, choose Deactivation or Deletion. Then select the Instagram account you want to delete or deactivate. Tap Delete Account or Deactivate Account based on your preference, and then click Continue. If you decide to delete your account, Instagram states that it may take up to 90 days to fully process the deletion. However, you might sign up again with the same username or use it for another account if it's still available. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.